Good morning. May kabuntagon sa praise be to God sa karong adlaw makapag-vlog ta. So it's your boy Araro Motovlog, kami yung Butuan City. So bagong grab episode na naman tayo, bagong araw naman tayo. So medyo late ako ngayon. 11:29 na, kakain pa lang ako. So June 17 na ngayon, it's Friday. So sana marami tayo ng booking. Tara, kain muna tayo. Wala pa akong almusal eh. Almusal at tanghali na to. Sinabay ko na. Nor, sana naman. Pa-sponsor. Baka naman, Nor. Yan, let's kanin para hindi siya dry. So, ayan guys. Tara! Tara! Kain tayo. So, simple yan lang yung kain natin. Tinapa at may egg. Paborito. Sarap. Yes, update ko na lang kayo guys. Pag andun na tayo kasi late na ako eh. Tara! Samahan niyo ako sa pagiging late. So guys, as you notice guys, nakapag small bag tayo ngayon. Shoutout nga pala sa brother natin si JM na napakabait na nagpahiram sa atin. So, ito yung binili natin sa Shopee, which is ang alloy top box na smoke, 'di ba? So, super sakto. Mag-small bag tayo ngayon. So, tignan natin kung gaano ka-effective na meron kang small bag at may top box ka. Is it worth it to do grab food? Is it worth it? And is it reliable? Guys, reliable ba siya? Mabilis ba buhay mo as a grab rider kung ganito yung setup mo? Tara, hanapin natin ang solusyon yan. Tara! Joke lang bitaw guys. So marami tayong mga kasamahang grab na nagsa-small bag. So yung account ko is big bag, so makakatanggap tayo ng pizza. Sana naman hindi. So may bago tayong equipment which is the chest mount para iba namang angulo makikita nyo. So tignan natin kung ano buhay ng merong small bag sa sitwasyon na ito. And kung swak ba siya na to carry smaller bag rather than the big bag. Big guy. This is big guy. Let's go! Thank you. Namabilis lang. Ganda na motor natin guys. walang ligyo. Ha? Content lang Brad, content. Walang small bag ni Jim. Walang small bag. Shout out sa Smile. Like small bag o okay ba? Okay. New building office look for sir. Sir, mag-deliver ko sir. Kang Sergeant Mondihar.
Dito lang sir, pick up na pula.
Okay, sige sir, salamat.
Pick up na pula.
Okay, salamat. dalan oy. And let's go on. Okay. So, dali sa magulat. So, yes sir, drop pay na sir. Salamat kayo. Thank you sir. Salamat. Okay, first booking down. Wait na tayo for the next booking. Let's go. Baka mag-booking rin guys. Palit na der! Aluminum. Ha? Aluminum. May aluminum eh. Dan tayo do. May aluminum. Lab. Yes, lapunoy. Palit na der! Oo ba siyang palit guys? Dagan kay kwarta. Kwarta. No, kwarta. Malabo dyan. Kusog kapag sa kwarta. Nakatulo na kayo sa ka-booking. Okay, ako. Sige na mo daw. Ayan ito eh. Abang-abang ng tag-booking ka nun guys. Mga tag-booking. Tara dito mga quabrinits kay small bag rat ha. So, ako na sa itong item. Tulong ka buk. Imnunod. Okay. Thank you. Salamat. Yan. Tulong item. Ito ay deliver pang customer. Init. Ay, parking nga nila. Parking nga nila. Ilang gabi na naman. Pa? Ngayon ito eh. Kaya di pa dito rin. Ito sa piyayo dre? Piyayo po. Piyayo dre? Kani? Kani sulod dre? Salamat.
Ma'am, applicant lang nakabutang.
No, sir. 150.
Okay.
Thank you.
Salamat kayo. Think off.
Nilaga to signal. So, salamat po na tao ko doon siya sa Seo. So, update lang guys kasi nalubat atong camera. So, pag-upat na ito nila booking. Isa no Macdo guys. So, grabe ko kusog dito kay gibira talaga gikan dre. So, nga ni sila ka kusog dre. Na times good. As in, di ba siya times? Kusog siya dre dapita kay Manginasal, Macdo man eh. So, dagan kayo mga customer palit sa Macdo. Dagan po magtambay po dre. So, ibiyahan ako, nabira ko mga around mga 1 kilometer kapin, mga 2, mga sponsor itong item. No, kusog sila diri oh. Kusog kayo mo diri ba? Patak naman. So, kusog na sila. Wow, ng item na to sa sold sa Macdo. Gamay ra mo order ng customer 86 ang fare yato ni siya sa may airport. Tara. Okay, kuha na ito item ni customer. Mamaya kayo no.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of bluff, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the